Hot97.com and FlexWeTrust.com. My man Wiz Khalifa's in the building. What's going on, my brother?
I'm coolin', man. How you feeling? I'm full of some medicine, so you know. I'm reppin' Taylor Gang too, man. Shout out to everybody else reppin' Taylor Gang. You already know how we do, man. It's your boy Young Khalifa. Y'all ready? Flyer than ever, rap Taylor Gang, we're the higher the better. My lines are clever and all my dimes are better. And by my cheese mozzarella, chains like the old Rockefeller. I know your girl's a freak, but you never beat acapella. I got it locked the hell up, sewn, and they need no help. I did it on my own. Ought to be a pallet, all the places I done flown. If they made another me, you'd be $1 million clown. Haters gon' hate, the bitches say I'm on. My money's like my hair now, it's getting kinda long. Coming up, people swore they seen us. Now I'm rich, need a chick band, it's Kanye's Phoenix. So roll up, please, and flex we trust. Let them lames be lame, we gon' just be us. So roll up, please, and flex we trust. And let them lames be lame, we gon' just be us. That's it, man. You know, a little bit of Taylor Gang, paper planes. Put them 2 fingers up, man, if you with it. And if you ain't, get with it, man. You'll get flown over.